All right, so I'm pissed off. This Toyota went into Purrfect Auto, Purrfect Auto, which for a smog, and ended up getting a bill for $798. The smog was $10. It's a trick to get you in. Anyway, they supposedly replaced fluid for the inverter here, replaced a gasket and a valve cover. I mean, they may have done that correctly, I hope so. What they screwed up on was changing the spark plugs in the engine. They may have done that correctly, I hope so. But on these damn Toyota Priuses, you have to take apart the wipers to get the spark plugs out, which is really sickening. Anyway, that's why I never changed them, because I didn't want to deal with the damn wipers. But these people, the report is the wipers don't work anymore. The passenger side wiper doesn't work. And so when I open the car up, this bolt is on backwards for the passenger's wiper. And this one is on, I suppose, correctly. But this is a strange little old-fashioned fit where there's grooves in the wiper motor and grooves in this arm piece, and this thing has to fit in the grooves. The technician never put this together correctly. And so when I took this apart to inspect the work, I found the arms are now stripped, and maybe the motor axles are stripped also. Since he put this upside down, I don't have a decent wrench to get it off, but let me at least show. And I'm taking this video also because I'm going to go back to Purrfect Audio and demand I get some money back for this. What's going to happen is this car is going to go into Toyota, where they have correct people and procedures that are trained to fix these cars correctly. Obviously, Purrfect Audio is a hack, and they may know how to do certain things, but not well. So anyway, I can't even find my socket wrenches. I don't know where they are, but anyway, let's take this off real quick and just show you the arm. So I watched a bunch of YouTube videos. This arm is really easy to get off. It's hard to get back on, I would think, for anybody, but here's the arm. Comes right off. Okay, so take a look now at the, first of all, the condition of the motor drive shafts here for the motor. It still looks serviceable. So I think we can still get a new arm on there. This one still looks what? It's still serviceable. So they didn't wreck the motor shaft yet, but they did wreck the arm. So here's the arm. And there's never any light in this damn room, but and of course the Apple phone won't focus on anything. But anyway, I wanted to get a good picture of the damage to the arm. But I also hate Toyota for making something like this. It's really a pile of shit. And that looks, I don't know, I can't get it to go back on. Actually, let's see, is that the one that won't go back on? It doesn't look good to me. And these things are sort of beveled too, which is fine. But that shop really effed these things over. So this is my video for showing. Okay, yeah, this one is really screwed up. If you look at this one, they really wrecked it. I think they pounded on it or whatever. That's the one that won't go back on. All right, well, that's my tale of woe with the Toyota Prius and the wipers, with a shop that supposedly changed the spark plugs, but did not put the wipers back on. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.